Hello, welcome to my channel Graphics Impact. Today I'm gonna show how to create turtle logo in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, you have to open Adobe Illustrator CC. You can do it any version of Adobe Illustrator. Then select the ellipse tool. You can see the ellipse tool here and draw a circle like a egg and turn off the fill color, and then select both of the whole circle, and go to edit, copy and paste in place. Now hold the shift and alt button together and just scale down little bit. Now we want to this circle, top one, and we don't need this circle. For why? I will show you. If we go to gradient, you can see it's fill all the circle, but we just need top circle. Okay, for that we have to go pathfinder panel, and if you can't see the pathfinder in here, you have to go window and pathfinder. Okay, there is lot of option. We have to select second one, that is minus front, and go to gradient panel. If you can't see the gradient panel here, you have to go window again, and this is the gradient, and you have to check it. Okay, now select the circle. Sorry, we can do it another way. What is the way? Let's see. Select all the circle and go to tool panel and take shape builder tool. If we drag like that, it's not work. Let's see. Select the circle and go to gradient. It's not work. You can see. Now what should we do? We have to go shape builder tool again. Then you can see the right plus icon in the cursor, but we need minus icon. For that, hold the alt key and click in the middle. Then select all the circle and go to gradient panel. You can see it's done. Now go to edit, copy and paste in place. Again hold the shift key and alt button together and scale down. We have to set it properly, otherwise it can damage our design. If we don't set properly, what will happen? I will show. You can see it's not look well. So let's come back again. Ctrl J for come back. Undo actually. Okay, set it properly. You can use down arrow. Go to pathfinder again, and this time first option of pathfinder, that is unite. Hit the unite button and you can see the result. It's perfect. Now select and now turn off the fill color and select ellipse tool and draw a circle like that. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Hold the shift key and alt key together and just drag little bit. Go to shape builder tool, and what should you do? Just hold the alt key and click. Okay. Go to gradient panel and set it by default gradient color. Set it perfectly. Placed it perfectly. Now select both of the circle and go to unite and first option pathfinder panel. Okay, we can do this using shape builder tool. Okay, let's see. It's take a lot of time, and it and we can do mistake any time. You can see if we scroll middle and it damage our design. So better option pathfinder, first option unite. Okay, then select all the circle and go to edit, copy and edit again, and as you know, paste in place. Okay, hold the shift and alt button together and just scroll down and the second one and go to gradient panel, and here is the reverse option. Reverse it. Wow, you can see it's done. You also can reverse top shape. Okay, it's done. Now we have to give the logo name Toyota. Now go to type tool and type here Toyota. Let's scale up. You can change the color in fill color option right in the top. You can give any color from here, but when you give gradient color, it's not working. Why? Okay, let's see. We have to do outline this text. Okay, go to type and there is create outline. Now you can add any gradient color. Naturally Toyota logo color is red, so we go to red. Now you can see our Toyota logo is ready. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys learned something from my video. Thank you.